If you're working a 9 to 5, this might be hard to hear because it's not just underpaying you, it's actually costing you up to $10,000 every month. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Here's what most people never consider. While you're working for someone else's dream, someone your age is making more in a week than you make in a month from a product that they created once or even invested in once. In this video, I'm going to break down the real opportunity cost of sticking with a 9 to 5 job and show you how thousands of people are replacing their income online, even without experience. Let's do some simple math. Let's say you make $4,000 per month at your job. That feels secure, but you're trading about 160 hours of your time to earn it. Now imagine you create a digital product, a guide, template, or ebook, and sell it for $25. If that sells just 400 times a month, that's $10,000. And your time, it was only spent once to create it. That's the power of passive income. You build once, sell forever. Earned income means you only get paid when you work. Passive income means you get paid even when you don't. One keeps you trading time for money. The other gives you time and money. Most people aren't stuck because they're lazy. They're stuck because they only know how to make income one way, by working for it. Quick pause. If this is opening your eyes and you're curious about building your own digital income stream, hit that follow button. We teach faceless marketing strategies, how to create products that sell, and how to build real income online. Online income is growing faster than ever. And the people winning right now aren't influencers. They're everyday people learning how to sell something once and get paid again and again. You don't need a fancy degree, you don't need a team or inventory, and you don't even need to show your face. What you do need is a simple product, a traffic source, a system to automate and scale. This is how people are buying back their time, building freedom, and escaping the paycheck to paycheck trap. These aren't influencers or overnight millionaires. They're just people who learned a new skill and changed their life with it. Your job might feel secure, but it's quietly draining your time, energy, and earning potential. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5 tomorrow, but you do need to start building something that pays you even when you aren't working. If you want our exact step-by-step blueprint on how to start making passive income online, grab our free guide below. It'll show you how to go from zero to digital income without experience, without showing your face, and without wasting your time.